Hi, I'm Kelly Springer.
And I'm Sheridan Samberson, and we are master's students and dietetic interns at Texas Women's University.
Today we're going to be speaking with you about MyPlate plan for adults, as well as how to properly measure serving sizes if you don't have any utensils on hand.
First, let's discuss what a serving size is.
According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, a serving is defined as a measured amount of food or drink, such as 1 slice of bread or 1 cup of milk.
The MyPlate plan recommends that the average adult consumes 2 cups of fruit, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 6 ounces of grains, 5.5 ounces of protein, and 3 cups of dairy per day.
So what does a cup of fruit look like? A cup of fruit is the size of a fist, while a half cup of fruit is the size of a tennis ball.
1 cup of fruit is equal to 1 cup of raw, cooked, or 100% juice, or a half cup of dried fruit.
The same goes for vegetables. 1 cup of vegetables is equal to the size of a fist, while half a cup of vegetables is equal to the size of a tennis ball.
1 cup of vegetables is equal to 1 cup raw, cooked, or 100% juice, or 2 cups of raw leafy greens.
The MyPlate guidelines recommend that you fill half your plate with whole grains. Instead of white rice, think of brown rice, or instead of white bread, think of wheat bread. The MyPlate guidelines also recommend that you consume 6 ounces of whole grains a day. So what does an ounce of whole grains look like? 1 ounce of cooked rice is the size of a handful.
1 ounce of grains is equal to 1 slice of bread, 1 ounce of ready-to-eat cereal, or a half cup cooked pasta, cooked rice, or cooked cereal.
What about protein? 3 ounces of protein is equal to the size of a palm.
1 ounce of protein is equal to 1 ounce of lean meat, poultry or fish, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of cooked beans or peas, or 1/2 ounce of nuts or seeds.
Your dairy can either come from milk, yogurt, or cheese. 1 cup of milk is equal to the size of your fist.
1 cup of dairy is equal to 1 cup of milk, yogurt, or soy milk, 1.5 ounces of natural cheese, or 2 ounces of processed cheese.
Throw it all together, and what does it look like?